Hello class 9 students. Today we are going to start another topic from your grammar, that is degree of comparison. So this is a very easy topic, and this is not a new topic. You have already got degree of comparison in the chapter that is adjective. Okay, so degree of comparison means what? At what degree we compare. Okay, so basically there are three degree of comparison, that is positive degree, comparative degree. I think now you got it. And superlative degree. So there are three degree of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. And degree of comparison means specially comparison we make with qualities, okay, quantity, okay, those things help us to compare. How you will compare two person, how you will compare three person based on their quality, isn't it? So those quality comes under the category of adjective. So degree of adjective is all related to adjective. Degree of comparison is related to adjective. Adjective is a describing word which describe the quality, quantity, size, capacity, everything of a noun or a pronoun, isn't it? And we can compare two thing, two object, two person, two place based on their quality. Okay, so that is why this is degree of comparison totally related to adjective, not with noun, nor with pronoun, not with even not with verb also, not with adverb also, only adjective. So I will not go here about what is adjective. I think all of you know it very well. Kinds of adjective, everything I will not describe. This you have already got till class 8 very properly. So here we will discuss about this positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now positive degree means it is a mere describing a quality. Right? It is simply describing a quality. It doesn't compare. Here no comparison are made. So in positive degree there is no comparison. In comparative degree we compare two things, two object, means two person, place, object, anything, means only two. In superlative degree we compare more than two. More than two can be any number. Okay, more than two, person, place, object, like that. So more than two, this is important. Here no comparison. In positive degree we don't compare anything. In comparative degree we compare two person, place or object. In superlative degree we compare more than two person, place or object. Now let's see example of each one of that positive degree. For example, Ravi is an intelligent boy. Ravi is an intelligent boy. This is a positive degree. Here I'm not comparing Ravi with any other boy. I am just simply describing his quality, that how is he? He is an intelligent boy. Okay, so this come under the category of positive degree, where we don't make any comparison between two person, place or object. Okay, next come to comparative degree. In comparative degree we compare two person, place or thing, right? For example, Ravi is here with intelligent. The comparative degree of intelligent, here we use more. Somewhere we use ESTER, right? somewhere we have to, with some adjective we have to use more and most, and some adjective are totally different from each other, isn't it? So here, more intelligent. So in comparative degree we use more and then than. Ravi is more intelligent than Hari. So here I am comparing two person, Ravi and Hari. So two person are compared here. Okay, so this is comparative degree. Superlative degree, where we compare one object with more than one, more than two. Ravi is the most intelligent boy in the class. Now, class means what? It is a group of 40 to 50 student, right? So I am comparing one person with those 40 or 50 student or 30 student. Okay, so here comparison is made between more than 3, more than 2. More than 2 can be any number. Okay, more than 2 can be lakhs also, 1000 also, 50 also, 20 also, 4 also. Okay, so here Ravi is compared with the whole class, and whole class is means what? At least there will be maximum 20 student or minimum 20 student, maximum it can be anything 30 or 40. So here Ravi is compared with the whole class. Okay, so this is the example of positive degree, comparative and superlative degree. So I think up to here it is not new for you. You have already done this kind of sentences, right? But here in class 9, here you have to change this comparative into positive, positive into comparative or superlative, like that. So that is the question you will get. You will get 1 degree and you have to change it into another rest of the 2 degrees. Okay, so that is the trick which you have to use, that how to change the degree. Okay, how to change the degree into comparative, superlative and in positive degree. So let's do some examples related to this. So here some questions are there, so let's see how to solve, what to do. Okay, so number 1, gold is the most precious of all metal. Now here the adjective is most precious. Now it is written in which degree? I think you know it very well that most precious comes under superlative degree. So it means you have to change this into positive degree and comparative degree. So in superlative degree it is given, change it into the rest of the degree. Now gold is the most precious of all metal. Okay, the positive degree of most precious is only precious. Precious, most precious, more precious and most precious, right? So now you cannot simply write that gold is precious metal. It is not as easy as you people are thinking. Okay, if your answer is like that, that gold is precious metal, then your answer is absolutely wrong. You cannot write like that, otherwise there will be no difference between this answer and the answer which you may be thinking. Okay, so whenever we change this kind of degree into positive degree, the way of writing changes a little. Okay, so basically we write like that, gold is the most precious of all metal. Here gold is compared with rest of the metal, right? So basically we use the negative form to make the positive degree of adjective. What is negative form? Basically no other metal, no means negative, right? No other metal is, then after is as, no other metal is as, then after precious, no other metal is as precious as gold. This is the way to write positive degree. This is written in positive degree. Now see here, precious is written in positive form. Okay, no other metal is as precious as gold. Is as dash as, this one you have to write. Okay, this is the way to write positive degree. Whenever you are changing from comparative to positive, superlative to positive, then you have to write in this way. You use the negative form. No other dash is as dash as dash. No other flower is as beautiful as this, like that. Okay, So this is the positive degree. Comparative degree is also easy. Compare means you have to compare two things, but here compare means what? You have one compare. It doesn't mean that only you have to compare two thing. Okay, you can compare one like gold with, and here one comparison is gold and the other comparison can be all other metal, all other metal. Okay, you can compare these two. Okay, so here another metal name is not given. So what, how you will compare gold with? So we will compare gold with all other metal. Okay, so we got two comparison, one is gold, another is all other metal. So gold is the comparative form of precious is more precious. Gold is more precious than all other metal. So one comparison is gold and other comparison is all other metal. If name is not there, we will compare like this. Okay, so this is the way to write positive and comparative degree, which is important for all of you to learn. Next, number 2, very few cities are as beautiful as Lucknow. See, here in positive degree, I have used negative form, like no other metal is as precious as gold. Okay, so in the positive form, if you want to write positive degree, then like that, very few metal are as beautiful as gold, also you can write. No other metal is as precious as gold, also you can write. So here this is written in which degree? This is written in positive degree, only beautiful. Very few cities are as beautiful as Lucknow. So it is written in positive, you have to write in comparative and superlative. So let's see what is comparative degree. So here Lucknow is compared with very few cities in India, right? So Lucknow is beautiful. The comparative degree of beautiful is more beautiful. Lucknow is more beautiful than very few cities. So we are comparing the cities in India, right? So you can add this by your own. Lucknow is more beautiful than very few cities in India. In India you can add by your own, no harm. Okay, so this is written in comparative degree. Now superlative degree means most. So Lucknow, now whenever we use the superlative degree, always use the. Article the comes in superlative degree. Article the always comes in superlative. Sorry, here it is given. So Lucknow is the most beautiful city in India. That's it. So here Lucknow is compared with all the rest of the city in India. So Lucknow is the most beautiful city in India. So this is written in superlative degree. Okay. Next, James is smarter than all the boy in the class. Now smarter, it is written in which degree? Comparative degree. James is compared with all the boy in the class. Here one is James and other comparison is all the boy in the class. So here you have to make the positive degree first. Positive degree of smarter is smart. You cannot write a James is a smart boy. It is wrong. So you can write no other boy in the class is as smart as James. No other boy in the class is as smart as James. Now here the smart is written in positive degree. If you want to write the superlative degree, then James is the smartest boy in the class. James is the smartest boy in the class. Okay, I hope you understood these three example. Let's see in the next page with two more example. Delhi is the most polluted city in India. Most polluted means it is written in superlative degree, so you have to change into positive and comparative degree. So I think you know how to write positive degree. So try by your own. Can you try? You just pause the video and then try to figure out the answer. Then you match with my one. No other city in India is as polluted as Delhi. So here the polluted is written in positive degree. It is already written in superlative comparative degree. Delhi is more polluted than any other city in India. So here you cannot write one name, right? Because it is compared that Delhi is the most polluted city in India, means Delhi is compared with rest of all the city in India. So Delhi is more polluted than any other city in India. Okay. Next, iron is more useful than any other metal in the world. Here iron is compared with all the rest of the metal in the world. Okay, so positive degree. Did you got the answer? Figure it out. Pause my video and try to figure out the answer. No other matter in the world is as useful as iron. If you are thinking like that, then you are absolutely correct. Superlative. Iron is the most useful metal in the world, right? Iron is the most useful metal in the world. That's it. So in this way we write degrees of adjective. Hope you understood this one up to this. In the next class we will do with some more example. So I request all the students to go through your grammar book also. Okay, for more examples, for more practice, please go through your grammar book. Here I can give you very limited questions, but for practice you need some more questions for that. Okay, so please refer your grammar books. So for today's class this much. Thank you.